Pork cheeks and dark beer, tender as cake. I have a little over a kilo of pork cheeks here. They are located on both the left and right sides of the pig snout. They have long fibers and a lot of connective tissue and fat. The hardest part of the whole recipe is trimming the cheeks from the membranes. It's the same thing, and mainly, don't cut yourself, dude. Of course, save the trimmings for stock. Salt and pepper the cheeks on both sides. Prepare some all-purpose flour and coat each cheek on both sides with the flour. Shake off the excess flour from the meat. When it's sped up like this, it goes pretty quickly, right? Throw some lard into the pot, heat it up, and lay the cheeks in there. You'll sear them on each side for about 2 minutes. Get them nicely golden. You don't want them pale, but not burnt either. Feel free to do it in 2 or 3 batches. Don't overcrowd the pot, or it will start to steam, but don't leave it half empty either, or the fat will burn. Set the seared meat aside, add chopped bacon, and render the fat from it. Add chopped carrots and parsley to the pot. Start searing the vegetables with the hardest ones first. Once they start to color, add chopped onions and celery stalks. Sauté until the vegetables caramelize. Add bay leaves and thyme, and let the herbs sizzle a bit in the fat base. This will release more flavor and aroma. Add some good mustard and cook off the vinegar it contains. Add about 3 deciliters of your favorite dark beer. Bring it to a boil and reduce the volume by about half. The day before, I cooked pork head broth, and I have this beautiful gelatinous stock here. You can use beef or even chicken. When the stock starts to boil, return the seared cheeks to the sauce. Take it easy, so you don't mess up the whole kitchen. Bring it to a boil again, cover it with a lid, and put it in the oven. 150 degrees for 2.5 to 3 hours. I take it out after 2.5 hours and test the meat. The fork went in like a knife through butter. The meat is very tender, so remove it carefully so it doesn't fall apart. Larger pieces look better on the plate. Strain the sauce. Thanks to the spoon, the strainer won't slip into the pot. Take a ladle and squeeze the flavors from the vegetables and herbs into the sauce. Now just reduce the sauce by bringing it to a gentle boil. You'll start to see these intense bubbles forming as you get closer to the goal. In the end, when you run the pesto over the back of the spoon, the line should remain. Now you just need to return the reserved cheeks to the sauce. Let them heat through. You can turn off the stove right away and still squeeze a bit of juice. It's best served with creamy mashed potatoes or hearty smashed potatoes. When your wife serves you this under the fish after 20 years of marriage, you'll start imagining her again in a tight shirt leaning on your car. I've got my digger, sing hallelujah. See ya.